Hey kids, welcome to It's Kids Corner.
Let's learn ABC Phonics together. Are you ready? Let's go! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning. A for apple, red and round. Apple. B for ball, bounce, bounce. Ball. C for cat, meow, meow. Cat. D for dog, woof, woof, dog. E for elephant, big, big elephant. F for fish, swim, swim, fish. G for goat, jump, jump, goat. H for hen, cluck, cluck, hen. I for ice cream, cold, cold ice cream. J for jug, fill the jug. K for kite, fly so high kite. L for lion, roar, roar lion. M for monkey, jumping monkey. N for nest, bird's nest. O for orange, juicy orange. P for parrot, green, green parrot. Q for queen, lovely queen. R for rabbit, run, run, rabbit. S for sun, bright, bright sun. T for tiger, strong tiger. U for umbrella, open umbrella. V for van, drive the van. W for watch, tick, tick, watch. X for xylophone, ting, ting, xylophone. Y for yo-yo, up and down yo-yo. Z for zebra, black and white zebra. Wow, kids, you learned ABC. Great job! See you again.